Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star the Flippin Hippo, and today we're going to do list perfectly in under 5 minutes. I have several videos on this channel that go into more detail on list perfectly. I have a live show that went for an hour where I interviewed their CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, but I've been getting a lot of questions lately about list perfectly, some renewed interest. So I figured I'd do a new video and make this one a quickie. So this will be under 5 minutes just to quickly show you what List Perfectly is. And then down in the box below, I'm going to provide a link to you guys where you can sign up for List Perfectly and get your first month at 30% off to try it. And if you like it, from there it'll renew at the regular prices, but you can get a discount for your first month. When you go to List Perfectly to sign up, you're going to be looking at the different plans. Here, the different prices and what they have. Once you sign up for List Perfectly, you will have access to their guide here. And their guide will walk you through everything you need to know about List Perfectly, from troubleshooting to a quick start guide, how to install the software. They also have a Facebook group where you can go with questions to get help. And List Perfectly is not an app, and it is not a robot or a third-party app or anything like that. It's just an extension you add to your Chrome that basically copy-pastes listings for you. When you sign up, you'll go here to this page, and this is under Help and News. Get the latest version. You go here, you download the latest version. It pops up under your Google Chrome. Then you just make sure you're logged in before you go to use it. Any platforms you're going to be cross-posting from or to, you need to make sure you're logged in on them, because if you're not, it will mess up this whole system and you'll have to start all over. So just kind of make sure you're logged in everywhere, which I have done here. And if you have the business planner above, you'll have the bulk cross-posting, which is what I'm going to show you. You're going to click this little green button where it says Start Selecting. And let's say I wanted to cross-post 10 things. So I'm just skipping the remotes, but I would just select the 10 things, or 11 if I did 11. You click stop. You're going to choose which platforms you're going to cross post to. You guys, they have Grailed, Macari, Poshmark, eBay, Etsy, Tradesy, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, Kitizen, and Shopify. There are this many platforms that you can cross-post to and from to all the others when you have List Perfectly. I'm going to cross-post to Macari and Poshmark. Yes, you can select more than one platform. So I can select 11 items on eBay and cross-post them to Macari and Poshmark at the same time. How long it takes the tabs to pop up is really going to be reliant on your internet connection and your computer speed. If you have an older computer or a not so great internet connection, it's going to take a little bit longer. It's going to pop up one tab for each listing for each platform. So in this instance, 22 tabs would pop up for me. You guys, what I usually do is have it start. I go grab a cup of coffee. I use the ladies' room. I come back. I'm ready to roll. What it does is it pops up in these tabs and copy pastes for you. So you can see in this one in Macari, my pictures have been moved. My title is there. I would edit that a little bit because the titles can be different on Macari versus eBay. Your description copies over. And then you would have to add your tags and your category and your price down here. For Poshmark, it copies over the photos, the title, the description, and again, you can play with all of this before you make it go live. You'll have to select your category, your size, your brand is filled in for you. Sometimes the color comes over and sometimes it doesn't. I think it's because if you select multicolor in eBay, it doesn't come over. And then you put your pricing in, but look, it even copies your SKU line from eBay to Poshmark. So that copies over as well. You can copy from Poshmark to eBay, from Macari to eBay, from Poshmark to Macari, Macari to Poshmark. Any of the platforms that are available here that I went over with you can be cross-posted to any of the other platforms. There's also a process where you can start a listing and list perfectly. save it to the catalog there, and have it cross-post to all these platforms for you if you'd like. They have, like I said, they have the quick start guide here that will walk you through all of that. I can always do a more extensive video later if you guys would like, but I just wanted to do a real quick one tonight to just kind of give you the overview of what you get when you sign up and how amazing this bulk cross-posting is. It's that quick. All 22 tabs are open now, so I would just go through and fix my titles, double check my descriptions, and fill in the hashtags, the prices, and the few things I showed you guys, and then I would make these go live. It would take me about 5 minutes to move 11 items to Mercari and Poshmark. I love List Perfectly. If you want to give it a try, use my link down in the description box. Get 30% off your first month. It is an affiliate link. I am an affiliate partner of theirs, so I do get a small commission if you use my link. I am required by law to tell you that. But you will get 30% off. You can give it a shot, see if you like it. And I always recommend to folks, join their Facebook group if you do get List Perfectly. There is an infinite wealth in there of folks who use List Perfectly and who can answer questions and help you, as well as the entire team behind List Perfectly is in there, and they're always on top of everything and any problems that arise. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Go be productive. Go make some money. Go cross-post, because multiple streams of income is the way to go. I'll see you guys next time, and as always, thank you for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.